My name is Christine, and if there's one thing people know about me, it's that I love food. I love learning about it, shopping for it, cooking it, and eating it. But most of all, I love sharing it. Food brings people together and is a great way to learn about new cultures and get to know one another. Coming together and sharing a meal is the most communal and binding thing in almost every place in the world. So please, step into my kitchen and let's break bread together.
You guys can meet me out today. So we are in downtown LA, Chinatown, but we're not gonna get Asian food. We are looking for, you'll never even guess today, barbecue. Okay, so they always say that in LA you can't get good barbecue, and I'm a Texan and I know my barbecue. But recently I've heard about this place that has amazing ribs, so let's go check it out. The great thing about Chinatown, there's so many great jewels here, but they're really nondescript. You really have to know your way around. I love that people are still out and about eating, because we do have to support all our local restaurants. I wish I had 3 stomachs. I would eat everything, every place. Okay, so we're coming up on Amboy. But it's not actually the Amboy restaurant that we're going to today. We're gonna go to Basta's Barbecue because I saw pictures of these ribs online.
Oh yeah.
And I kid you not, they're the biggest, juiciest looking beef ribs I've seen in a long time. So, come on this way. So we're at 727 North Broadway, downtown LA in Chinatown. And we're at number 117 Amboy. And today they have a pop-up for ribs by Basta's Barbecue. So let's go check out these ribs. Okay, so the owner of Basta's Barbecue, his name is Christian Alquiza, and he's going to be talking with us today. I'm excited. Hi, Christian.
Hey.
Thanks so much for having us today. Thanks everybody for letting us come by.
This is actually the pastrami.
Oh, the pastrami. Ooh, that's right.
Now, yeah.
So this is the pastrami you're talking about. Now, so this is just a pop-up for you, right?
For me right now, currently, yeah.
Okay, and so you're doing basically everything from home, is that it?
Yeah, absolutely. During these quarantine times.
Yeah, but you're keeping really busy.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'd rather do this than nothing at home.
Totally. So how much do you make per day? If you're out, right? That's it.
Yeah, pretty much. Right now it's a small smoker, so I do like six plate ribs, and then I have another small smoker just to do a pastrami or two.
Okay. So what all do you have today that people are getting? Is it just pastrami sandwiches and ribs?
So this one we're just playing around with the pastrami, but the ribs I have, that's the one I sold today. That's the one you're getting today.
Yes.
So I was just cutting this up and checking it out.
Oh,
I'll
nice.
put it aside and I'll pull out your ribs and check it out.
Check out the pastrami before he puts it away. God, that looks amazing. That looks so good. How long do you have these in the smoker?
This one is on for 12 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other ones are for like
so
10
amazing.
hours.
Nice.
So let's wrap this up and then I'll grab yours.
These are the ribs that I got, right?
Yes.
I'm excited.
So these have been there for about 10 hours.
10 hours. Woo!
Let me just unravel that up there.
Oh my gosh. Get a load of this. Chloe is going to be so happy.
There you go.
Ooh, look at that. Steam coming off of it
Yeah,
too.
that's hot.
Yeah.
So
how many of these do you make for these pop-ups? I mean, how many?
So about, I do about 6.
6?
So that so I don't overcrowd the smoker, and then it just keeps it limited, and then first come.
Wow,
first,
seriously
like that,
then.
yeah.
I mean, this is like, I'm so happy that I got in on this.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's add that right there.
So who supplies your meat?
I get some from Alvin over here, and then also Jeff is there.
Okay, I know Jeff.
It varies,
Sweet.
All right.
Oh, this looks so good.
So
Wow, that is tender.
Right there.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
So
That's ridiculous.
The bone's gonna come off if I let go of it. So
Yeah.
let's get the second one on there.
That is, oh my God, that looks so good. Look at that meat just fall off like that.
There we go. And there we go.
So Basta's Barbecue, What's the name come from?
So bastos is a Filipino term. It,
Okay.
it means a lot of things, but mainly it means like rude or like with no shame. Kind of like perverted or everything like that.
So in your face barbecue?
Yeah, absolutely. Like just break a couple rules and just have fun with it kind of barbecue, you know?
And this is your company?
Oh yeah, it was so me and Alvin were talking about it, and we were just like, oh dude, quarantine, I might as well learn how to smoke. And then so within a couple months, you know, I took the knowledge of being a chef into the obsession of smoking. So I looked it up on YouTube. I lost some sleep over reading and everything, and then just
I love it. You lost some sleep. That's when you know you're into something.
Absolutely, you'll lose some sleep. It's hours and hours of, you know, just either tending it, and eventually I'm gonna get an offset smoker, hopefully built by SG Metalworks. And,
nice.
Yeah. So Alvin's actually getting a smoker that's coming out here.
Oh,
it's gonna be in the front.
Oh, that's going to be amazing.
So I'll be playing with that for sure.
Okay, so you're going to have some lines going down the hallway here soon.
Oh yeah, it'll smell. You'll smell it for sure. But absolutely. Do you wanna? Should we cut you some pieces to try out?
Yeah, just a little piece. I mean, I'm sure my cameraman wants to try a piece too.
Of course, and then I'll slice it up and I'll put it in the tray for
Excellent.
you guys.
Ooh, oh my, this is so good. Thank you.
Yes, of course.
It's falling apart as we speak. Oh, that's so good. My God, that's so amazing.
So I gotta do it again. It didn't catch
You
it.
gotta keep eating.
Well, no, look at this though. It's just, wow. It's like taking a beautiful dress off, you know? That is ridiculous. The way you just like split that open, that's amazing. Look at this. Wow. My dog is gonna love these
I remember seeing a
bones.
video on YouTube of like someone having a beef rib and a sandwich and then just pulling the bone.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's some of the sexiest things I've ever seen.
Yeah. I love the steam. It's coming off the bone still.
And you could also like take that down, make a smoked bone broth and stuff like that. Or give it to your dog, which I
Oh,
would
she's gonna, 3 days of heaven for her.
Oh, yeah.
Or just one full day of just like going crazy. So what, so tell us like a trick. So you said you lost sleep over learning how to smoke and everything.
Oh,
What is
yeah.
one thing that people don't do that you've noticed that you do that makes your meat stand out?
I think it's the rub. You know, a lot of people do like the 50-50 salt. I put a little bit of extra, you know, chef touches in there with a couple of spices and everything. But other than that, let's see, a trick I would say is I like to squirt it with a little bit of honey and water, so it gives it like that sticky rub.
Oh, I like that. That's cool. So how long does this take now again? You said 10
About 10
hours?
hours, yeah. If you smoke like one rib or so, it usually takes about 6 hours. But the more you crowd the
course.
smoker, it definitely takes a little longer. So low and slow is the way I go, so it comes out tender.
Low and slow, that's the way Christian goes with me. So how long have you had Bastos Barbecue then?
What was it, since April?
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow, that dude's
April's when the first time I was like, all right, I'm just gonna study. I didn't smoke yet, but I mean, I put it out. I came up with a name. I was like, there's so many name options. I was like, I don't know, but Bastos Barbecue just comes out, you know,
Yeah.
it flows out. Like, oh, Bastos.
like a renegade for meat.
Absolutely.
So what's going on? You're just doing the pop-up right now. Are you gonna, after pandemic, you know, settles down a bit, are you thinking about settling down somewhere, or are you just gonna keep on doing pop-ups?
I mean, there'll always be like pop-up like caterings and stuff like that,
Yeah.
but I definitely want to, you know, settle down and work with Alvin, and then we're gonna, you know, hopefully build something from there.
So you said you might be taking over a space next door?
Yeah, Alvin wants to take over the space over here, and I'd help him out with the retail and everything like that, and so it'll be fun.
Okay, so you, so Alvin also is a meat distributor.
Yeah, he's a meat man now.
Sweet, I love it. And so do you guys ever have, so I see the booths here.
Oh yeah, they used to be.
A little bit of indoor.
This was prior to. I mean, the quarantine happened and everything, so they opened up, and they realized, you know, you go to the grocery store, all this stuff. It's like it's hard out there, and so he kind of turned his little shop into, you know, burgers and a meat provision and stuff like that. And so it works out.
And it's simple. It's easy to grab and go. You know.
Absolutely. I mean, pro tip is definitely pre-order online, and so when you get here, food should be ready and everything like that. So no worries about like waiting and everything like that.
And then, you know, a lot of I've been to a lot of places here, and it seems like they close at night. Are you guys open all day? Is
Oh
it
yeah,
open
so
all
they
day?
close. They currently close at 7, just like along with everyone else.
Yeah.
It's like the vibe in Chinatown, stuff like that. So especially this plaza.